The opportunity with coral restoration is all built around coral spawning. There's this single moment every year, which is for a few nights, corals reproduce. And we've got to make the absolute most of that and produce as many coral babies every season.
Our process for sexual reproduction relies on putting these little tabs with the corals on them into these cradles. And that, unfortunately, is done manually. And we need to address that bottleneck.
Cars and coral? What have they got to do with each other? At McLaren Racing, we have a team called Accelerator. This team are taking the approach to F1 engineering and a high performance culture, and they're looking at how we can apply that approach to decision making, engineering, leadership in coral reef restoration as well as in Formula One.
We will take this machine into its container in a place that is very representative of how it will be run in the future, right next to the ocean with live corals.
We're here in the Whitsundays at the moment. We're here for coral spawning. And a few nights ago we collected the coral spawn. We have the coral spawn in larval pools, and over the next few days we're going to be deploying the corals using a range of different methods. The third one, which is being trialled for the first time in the Whitsundays, is the seed box. So we collect coral larvae from the larval pools, put them into seed boxes, consolidate that larvae, put the seed box on the bottom, and then release kind of like a gate or a door at the bottom and let the larvae flow out the bottom onto the seabed, increasing the chances of settlement into that patch or that area.